Income-generating assets are like the money makers in your investment portfolio. They're the ones that keep cash flowing in steadily for the long haul. In this unpredictable economy, it's crucial to have these assets, as we can't just depend on our usual 9-to-5 jobs anymore. And today, through this video, we will show you such cash flow assets that'll make you rich. Property rental and real estate. Renting out real estate is a timeless way to make money without too much effort. Once you've put in the upfront cash and got everything set up, these properties can keep the cash flowing through tenant rent. If it's a house or a business space, as the owner, you'll keep getting those regular payments, which can turn into a pretty sweet income. And if you hire a property manager, you won't have to deal with tenants' calls whenever there's a problem on the property, making the income even more hands-off. Dividend-giving equities. Another way to make some money is by investing in stocks that pay you dividends. These are basically stocks that give you a piece of their profits as cash. You can either put that cash back into the stock or just enjoy it as extra money coming in. People like dividend stocks because they're seen as a safe bet. They usually come from big, reliable companies that make money regularly. But like with any investment, there's still a bit of a gamble involved. So be aware. Savings accounts with high yields. A high-yield savings account is like a special kind of piggy bank that gives you more free money over time than a regular piggy bank. It's not as good as some other ways to make money, like renting houses or getting money from stocks, but it's a good choice if you want to keep your money safe and make a little extra cash without too much work. Bonds. Bonds are like loans you give to companies or governments. They pay you interest for using your money. They're safer than stocks but don't pay as much. Government bonds are super safe, corporate bonds pay more but are riskier. Municipal bonds give tax benefits and income. Individual equity. Private equity can offer big profits but with more risk, usually for accredited investors. These firms invest in private companies, aiming to grow and sell them for gains. You can join private equity funds where people pool money to invest in private businesses. Be prepared for a longer commitment, possibly tying up your cash for years. SIP mutual funds. A systematic investment plan, shortly known as SIP, is like a money-saving tool for mutual funds. Instead of putting in a lot of money at once, you invest a fixed amount every month. This helps you even out the ups and downs of the market. Mutual funds are a way to invest in a mix of stocks and bonds. They're good for people who want to earn money with less risk. But it's important to check the fees, how well the fund is managed, and how it has done in the past before you invest. Investments in annuities. An annuity is like a money plan that gives you regular payments for a long time, maybe your whole life. It's good for retirees who want a steady income. There are different kinds of annuities, and each has its own rules and risks. So before you get one, make sure you understand the terms and costs. And lastly, creative work royalties. If you're a creative person, the things you make like books, music, websites, or ideas can make you money without you having to do much. Remember, when you're thinking about different ways to make money, you should keep in mind that each idea has its own good sides and not so good sides. So it's important to analyze and think about whether putting your money into it is the smartest move for you.